Hello and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. Have you ever noticed that when you turn off your computer, everything you were working on disappears, but the system still starts properly the next time you turn it on? Why does this happen? In this video, we are going to understand the difference between RAM and ROM, two very important types of memory in a computer. Let's start with RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is a type of temporary memory that stores data and instructions that are currently being used by the CPU. Whenever you open an application, play a video, or browse the internet, the data is loaded into RAM so that the CPU can access it quickly. RAM is very fast, which is why it helps your computer run smoothly. Now, here is an important point. RAM is volatile memory, which means that when the power is turned off, all the data stored in RAM is lost. That is why unsaved work disappears when your system shuts down. Now let's understand ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a type of permanent memory that stores important instructions needed to start the computer. These instructions are also called firmware, which helps in booting the system. Unlike RAM, ROM is non-volatile, which means it does not lose data even when the power is turned off. That is why your computer is able to start again every time you switch it on. Now let's clearly understand the difference between RAM and ROM. RAM is temporary, fast, and used during active tasks. ROM is permanent, stable, and used during system startup. Let's understand this with a simple real-world analogy. Think of RAM like your study table. You keep books and notes that you are currently using. Once you finish your work, you remove them. ROM is like a locker. It stores important documents that remain safe and unchanged. Even if you leave your room, the locker still keeps everything secure. Similarly, RAM changes constantly, while ROM remains fixed. Let's take a simple example. When you turn on your computer, the system uses instructions stored in ROM to start the operating system. Once the system starts, applications are loaded into RAM so you can use them efficiently. So both RAM and ROM work together to make your computer function properly. Without RAM, your system would be very slow. Without ROM, your computer would not even start. To summarize, RAM is temporary, fast, and used for current tasks, while ROM is permanent and stores startup instructions. If you found this helpful, subscribe to TechRoots by Roat and continue your learning journey.